All right, guys, we are in our close reader again today. We are going to finish reading about those apples. So open up to page 98. Up at the top, it says 3, read. Underline the detail that tells what happens after apple blossoms fall off the tree. So as I read, you are going to look for the part that says what happens after the blossoms fall off the tree. Also, do you see how what's on this page, the writing is in boxes that are underneath a picture? We talked about this before, but those are called captions. And so a lot of times, like, a caption will describe what's happening in the picture. So remember, you are looking for the detail that tells what happens after the blossoms fall off. You'll underline it. Here we go. In the spring, apple trees blossom or grow flowers. The flowers drop off and apples grow in their place. In the fall, the apples are ready to be picked. People make many kinds of foods from apples. So what did you underline? What happens after the blossoms fall off of the tree? Well, in that second caption there, it says the flowers drop off and apples grow in their place. So that's the part that you should have underlined. Okay, down at the bottom it says number 4, reread. Reread page 98. Circle the season when apples are ready to be picked. So I'm going to go ahead and read, and you are going to be listening for the season. Okay, here we go. In the spring, apple trees blossom or grow flowers. The flowers drop off and apples grow in their place. In the fall, the apples are ready to be picked. People make many kinds of foods from apples. So what did you circle? What season can we pick apples? Under the picture of the girl holding the basket of apples, it says in the fall. So you should have that circled. Okay, let's move on. Number 5, read. Underline the words that tell what apples can taste and feel like. So you're actually going to be underlining several words. What they taste and feel like. Here we go. Apples may be sweet or tart or soft or crisp or crunchy. But one thing apples always are is munchy, munchy, munchy. Okay, so what were the words that describe how apples taste and feel? There were 5 of them. You should have sweet, tart, soft, crisp, or crunchy. You should have all 5 of those underlined. All right, now let's go down to the bottom. It says short response. Reread pages 97 to 99. What did you learn about apples? Write it below. So I'm sure you guys knew some things about apples. Maybe that they can be picked in the fall, or we know already about roots of plants, right? So those are some things that you probably already knew, but I'm sure that you learned something that you didn't know before. So you're gonna reread this on your own and answer that question. Just one thing you learned. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it.